Welcome to this comprehensive guide on why use Coinbase Sign Up. Coinbase is a popular and reputable cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows users to buy, sell, and store various digital currencies. Firstly, let's start with the benefits of using Coinbase. One of the main advantages is its user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to navigate and start trading. Additionally, Coinbase has a strong focus on security, with robust measures in place to protect users' accounts and funds. To sign up for Coinbase, you will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and password. You will also need to verify your identity, which typically involves uploading a government-issued ID and proof of address. This is a standard procedure to comply with anti-money laundering regulations and to ensure the security of the platform. Once you have signed up and verified your account, you can start exploring the various features that Coinbase has to offer. You can buy and sell cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, using a variety of payment methods, including credit cards, bank transfers, and PayPal. Coinbase also offers a range of tools and resources to help you make informed investment decisions. These include real-time price charts, market trends, and news updates. You can also set up price alerts and notifications to stay up to date with market movements. Another key benefit of using Coinbase is its mobile app, which allows you to access your account and trade on the go. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices and offers many of the same features as the desktop platform. In terms of fees, Coinbase is generally competitive with other cryptocurrency exchanges. The fees vary depending on the type of transaction and the payment method used, but they are typically around 1 to 4%. Finally, Coinbase has a strong reputation for customer support, with a comprehensive FAQ section, email support, and a 24/7 phone line. This means that if you have any questions or issues, you can get help quickly and easily. In conclusion, signing up for Coinbase is a great way to get started with cryptocurrency trading. With its user-friendly interface, robust security measures, and range of features and tools, it is an ideal platform for both beginners and experienced traders. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can start buying, selling, and storing digital currencies with confidence.